I accidentally dug a clay pot on the construction site. One of the coins inside was very precious to me. I quietly picked it up and went to the antique shop. There I saw a woman about to buy a glass mirror. It was fake. I felt pity for her. I warned her. The shop owner immediately yelled at me. "Why are you interfering?" The woman also asked me for proof. Seeing the owner distracted, I quietly poured hot water on it. The next second, the mirror split into two pieces. The woman realized that it was fake. She left in anger. Then, thanking me, she took me to a famous appraiser. The appraiser recognized my coin as soon as he saw it. He immediately offered $30,000. I said yes without hesitation. As soon as I was about to go home, I saw an antique hidden in the garbage thrown by my landlord. I immediately offered $3,000. I bought a pile of garbage. When I reached home, I carefully took out the antique. When I cleaned it, I was stunned. It was the stuff used by a famous painter 700 years ago. I realized that my fate was about to change. I immediately took the antique to that woman. She recognized it at a glance. It was really the stuff of a famous painter 700 years ago. She immediately offered $3 million. I asked her, "Why are you giving so much?" She said, "I really liked the way you recognized the antique. Work with me on the appraisal." I accepted her offer. Soon, we went to the antique auction. The first item came. The auctioneer told me, "This is a 300-year-old imperial treasure." The starting bid was $100,000. The woman got tempted, but I saw it at a glance. This was not the real imperial. Maximum bid was $300,000. A rich man listened to me. He made fun of me. He said, "You don't know anything about appraising." Then, he bid $200,000. He wanted to show me what a real expert is like. I didn't get angry. Instead, I started bidding against him. Soon, that rich man got excited. He bid $1 million. I accepted the bid. As soon as the auctioneer started playing the gavel, that man realized that he had lost. The auction was over. I bought a simple wooden box. The rich man came to settle the score. But the woman stopped him. He didn't accept the bid. She made a bet with me. We will present each antique. The one that is more expensive will win $1 million from the other. I thought, the price is too low. I said, "Let's bet on our entire wealth." He agreed. He said, "If you lose, I will take your eyes." He quickly presented a good wooden carving. The crowd was shocked. Everyone thought he would win. But I remained calm. I secretly took out a Z pendant from the wooden box. The crowd saw it. The Z pendant looked ordinary. I thought, this is not even antique. The rich man believed. He won. Then an appraisal expert stopped him. He raised the Z pendant in the sun. In the rays of the sun, the pendant sparkled with magical light. The crowd was shocked. Everyone called it a miracle. In the end, I won the bet. Not only did I take all his wealth, the woman was even more attracted to me. Do you also want such divine eyes?